Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, we learn all things crochet on this channel. We share our progress, the journey, our frustration, and all together here. And for those of you that are not new, thank you for the likes, for the comments, for the shares, and for the support generally. So today we're going to be talking about the double crochet stitch. So follow me, let's go to my table and let's dive into it. Guys, welcome back to my table. So today, like I said before, we're going to be learning how to make the double crochet stitch. I'm going to be using my 5mm hook, yay yarn. I'm going to be doubling the strands, and the stitch marker. I have 2 stitch markers here, and my scissors. So let's dive in. The first thing we want to do is we want to make our slip knot as usual. We make the slip knot as usual. So this is how I make my slip knots now. I want to chain 10 chains, so this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I have 10 chains. Now if you notice, my chains are loosely made so that when I'm, but not so loose as you can see, so that when I'm inserting my hook into them, it will be easier for them to go, it will be easier for it to go through it. Now what I want to do is I want to block off this last chain and chain 2. The chain 2 is my turning chain. Now if you have watched my previous video on the half double crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch is slightly different from the half double crochet stitch, but it's done almost the same way. Now the first thing you want to do, you have 1 loop, you yarn over, you hold it down, then you insert your hook into this chain you blocked off, you insert, you yarn over, you pull through. Now you have 3 loops. Now what you want to do is you want to yarn over and pull through 2 of these 3 loops. You yarn over, you pull through 2. Now you have 2 loops left. You yarn over again, you pull through that 2. You've just made your double crochet stitch. So what you want to do now is you want to mark the first stitch you made. Now I've marked my first stitch. The next thing I want to do is I want to yarn over, make 2 loops, insert into the chain, yarn over again, pull through. Now I have 3 loops. I yarn over, pull through 2 of those 3. I have 2 loops left, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. I've made my second double crochet stitch. Let's go again. Yarn over, you hold it down, insert into the 3rd chain, yarn over, pull through. I have 3 loops. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops. I have 2 loops left, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. That is the 3rd double crochet stitch. Now let's go again. Yarn over, you hold it down, you insert into the 4th stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over again, insert, yarn over, you have 3 loops, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2. Now let's go again. You yarn over, you insert, you yarn over again, you pull through. You have 3 loops, you yarn over, you pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2. Now you have your double crochet. I've lost count. Let's continue again. Yarn over, you have 2, insert into the chain, yarn over, pull through. I have 3 loops. I yarn over, pull through 2. I have 2 left. Yarn over, pull through 2 again. I have my double crochet stitch. Now yarn over again, insert, pull through. I have 3 stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That is another double crochet stitch. The next one, insert, yarn over, leave it, yarn over, insert again, yarn over, pull through. This is 3, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now I'm on the last chain stitch. Yarn over, insert now into the last chain stitch, yarn over, pull through. I have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now I have all my stitches done. Now let's count using the V's. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've succeeded in making 10 double crochets in my first row. So the next thing you want to do is you want to chain 2 as you're turning chain. You turn your work, you yarn over, you hold it down with your hand, you put your hook into the loop, insert your hook here. Have you seen it? This middle stitch, this middle loop, you insert your hook. When you insert your hook, you pull through. You have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, you yarn over, you pull through another 2. Now you've made your first double crochet on this row. You pick your stitch marker and mark it. So now I'm going to stop talking. I'll just show you how to go about it as we go. So now we're almost at the last stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So I'm going to remove my stitch marker from this last stitch and work my double crochet into that stitch. So now I'm working my double crochet into the stitch. Now that I've worked my double crochet, the next thing I want to do is I want to chain 2 and turn. Then I continue working my double crochet all the way down. I've come to the end of the 3rd row. I'm going to remove my stitch marker now and make the last stitch into that stitch where we have the stitch marker. So I put my stitch marker back. Don't forget, keep counting to be sure that you have 10 stitches or whatever number of stitches you started with. So I'm on the second to the last stitch. I'm going to remove my stitch marker, and I put a double crochet on that stitch. So now this I'm going to chain 2 and turn, but I'm not going to work the next row. I'm just going to show you what I have. This is what I have. I have 10 stitches all through. Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So now we have 10 stitches all through. So I'm going to leave you to keep practicing. So with this we have come to the end of the tutorial for the double crochet stitch. I hope that you would be able to do it on your own now. So have fun crocheting the double crochet stitches. Bye.